day everyone! Today is the day that we're gonna tackle about solving problems involving quadratic equation and rational algebraic equation. But for now, let me discuss to you the lesson 1, solving problems involving quadratic equation. There are steps in solving problems involving quadratic equation. First, read and analyze the given problem. Make a representation for the unknown in the problem. Formulate an equation based on the conditions given in the problem. Solve the resulting equation to find the value of the variable. And last, make a conclusion. Let's try problem number 1. The sum of two numbers is 21 and the product is 110. What are the numbers? Let's try to analyze. So, kailangan daw ang number na i-add mo kasi sabi sum, so add. Ang number na i-add mo ay kailangan ang sagot ay 21. Pero madaming numbers na pag in-add mo 21, di ba? Pero dapat ang product ay 110. Kasi from the word product, ibig sabihin multiplication, ito times mo, na ang sagot ay 110. Gets? That's why you can solve it mentally. Alam ko na yan. Pag in-add ko 21, times ko naman ay 110. Pero for you to solve this algebraically, when we say algebraically, merong sinusunod na method or steps para madali mo siyang masolve. So after analyzing the problem, i-represent na natin siya. Ano yung representation na yan? Representation means you are going to use variables because variables means you are going to represent the unknown. Kasi nga may mga nawawalang values. So dito, ang ginamit na representation ay x at sa x ay ang first number. Tapos ang second representation ay 21 minus x at sa 21 minus x ay ang second number. Alam ko nasa isip mo, saan galing yung 21 minus x? Paano siya naging 21 minus x? Dito siya galing sa problem. Kasi ang sabi, di ba, the sum of two numbers is 21. So, pag nirepresent mo yung first number as x, dapat pag plinas mo kay 21 minus x, yung representation ng second number, representation pa lang yan, dapat ang sagot or ang lalabas ay 21. Kung titingnan mo yung equation, pag inad mo sa x ka negative x, alalahanin mo yung rule of integers. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so you have to subtract. So, x minus x, yung x, bawasan mo ng isa pang x, so 0. Kaya ang matitira ay 21. Kasi nga, ang goal mo ay matira yung sum, which is 21. Ganun pala yun. Kaya yun ang representation natin. Step by step siya i-explain kasi ito ang gagamitin dyan sa mga activity. So now, magpo-formulate ka naman na equation. Paano gagawin yun? Ganito, tingnan mo yung second condition. The product of these two numbers should be 110. So, dapat ang magiging equation mo ay based dun sa second equation. Na kapag tinimes mo yung dalawang number is equal to 110. Pero since naka-represent pa siya as variable, kaya naka-variables din yung equation. So, x galing din sa first number times the quantity of 21 minus x galing sa second number, ginamitan ng parenthesis. Kasi ang parenthesis, ibig sabihin, imumultiply. Kaya the product is equal to 110. Pero what if nagkabaliktad? Nauna yung the product is kesa sa the sum. It doesn't matter. Ganitong process pa din ang gagawin nyo. And next ay solution. The first thing you need to do ay itatransform ang equation into standard form, if needed. How are we going to do that? Ganito, since naka-quantity siya, i-distribute natin si x kay 21, kaya 21x. Next, si x times kay negative x, so naging negative x squared, and then copy 110. So, baka nagtataka kayo bakit sunod dito ay naging x squared minus 21x plus 110 equals 0. Paano nakuha yan? Ganito yon. Galing dito sa 21x minus x squared equals 110, ginawa siyang standard form. Paano ba yun? Si 110 na nasa kanan ay nilipat o transpose to the left, that's why nabago siya, naging negative 110 na. Bakit hindi siya parehas dun? Ganito, iaayos mo siya as standard form. Una, ang quadratic term, negative x squared, linear term, 21x, at sunod, constant term, 110. Then, 0. Kapag yung quadratic term ay negative, you have to multiply both by negative. Remember the rule of multiplying integers, LP and UN. Negative times negative x squared equals positive x squared. Next, negative times positive 21x magiging negative 21x. And then, negative times negative 110 equals positive 110. Then, equals 0. Kaya ayun yung na-formulate na standard form. Next naman ay ang factoring. Ang factor ng x squared ay x times x. Next, ito na. Bakit negative 10 at 11 yan? May technique dito eh. Kapag ang lumabas na constant, itong positive 110, ang magiging factors niyan ay both negative. Why? LP kasi, like signs positive. So, pag tinimes yung dalawang negative, it will give you positive. Negative parehas yung 10 at 11, kaya positive yung 110. Gets? Ito naman, positive si 110, negative si 21x. Kasi yung 21 dito, ganito. Diba negative parehas yung factor? So, pag inad mo yan, kasi diba ang 21 ay sum, based dun sa condition. So, pag inad mo yung both negative factors, which is negative 10 plus negative 11, since same sign sila, negative 21x. And then, inequate, or what we call zero product property, or equating. Pinaghiwala yung dalawang factors. X minus 10 equals 0, and x minus 11 equals 0. And then, galing naman dito, si negative 10, trinanspose niya sa right, kaya naging positive 10. And ganun din si negative 11, trinanspose sa right, kaya naging positive 11. Kaya siya naging positive kasi trinanspose natin. Nag-iba yung sign. Yan na ba yung sagot? Hindi pa. Kailangan pa natin siyang i-check. Sa 10 and 11, mamimili ka ng isang number doon. Halimbawa, ang napili mo, 10. So, ang 10 ay isa-substitute mo doon sa first number, which is x. So, ngayon, magiging 10 na siya. Ganon din sa second number. 21 minus 10 equals 11. Pero kung ang napili mo namang number ay 11, ganun pa din. Isa-substitute mo pa din siya sa first number and second number. So, 21 minus 11 equals 10. Therefore, tama yung sagot mo. The two numbers are 10 and 11. So, this is how you solve this kind of problem.
And now, let me discuss to you Lesson 2, Solving Problems Involving Rational Algebraic Equation. Now, this is the steps in solving problems involving rational algebraic equation. Number 1, read and analyze the given problem. Number 2, make a representation for the unknown in the problem. Number 3, formulate an equation based on the conditions given in the problem. Number 4, transform the equation to a quadratic equation in standard form. Number 5, solve the equation to find the value of the variable. Number 6, make a conclusion. And this is the example of solving problems involving rational algebraic equation. Problem number 1. The sum of the number and its reciprocal is 10 over 3. Find the numbers. Representation. Let x is the number, 1 over x is the reciprocal of the number. Ang x ay sumisimbolo sa 1. Ang ibig sabihin ng reciprocal ay pinagbaligtad, kaya naging 1 over x. Equation. X plus 1 over x equals 10 over 3. Solution. Close and open parenthesis, 3x times close and open parenthesis, x plus 1 over x equals close and open parenthesis, 10 over 3. times 3x. So we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. And the answer is 3x squared plus 3 equals 10x. So after multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD, 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 equals 0. Write the resulting equation in standard form. So, naka-standard form na siya. Ang susunod natin gagawin ay solve the equation by factoring. We're going to factoring. Close and open parenthesis, 3x minus 1, close and open parenthesis, x minus 3 equals 0. Dito ay tinanggal na natin ang close and open parenthesis at nilagyan na natin ng 0 or ginamit na natin yung zero product property. So, 3x minus 1 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. The answer is x equals 1/3 and x equals 1/3. So, nakuha natin yung 1/3 dun sa una, yung 1/3 doon sa 3x minus 1. At yung 3 nakuha natin sa isa, x minus 3 equals 0. Therefore, the numbers are 3 and 1/3. At dito na nga po nagtatapos ang ating video lesson. Sana ay may naiintindihan kayo. Kapag may iba pa kayong katanungan, magtanong lamang sa inyong guro. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!